Babe, I'm home. Oh, I'm starving. Are any of those treats left that I made at the weekend? The kids have eaten them all. I want cake. I want it fast. I wonder. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to see how quickly we can make a mug cake. But you know what? I could do with some helpers. So you guys up for helping me or what?
Yeah?
Yes! Whoa, this is cool. Look, hey everyone. Okay, so, right, we're going to make a mug cake. And what we're going to do is, we're going to find the list. You guys keep them amused. I hope they didn't bore you. You guys, you didn't bore them, did you? Cool.
No.
Okay, right, so what we need to do is, we're going to have a race. So we need a timer. So that's going to go here, hopefully, if this all works out well. And, right, so what we're going to do, we can get a mug. And then we're going to get, are you guys ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go! Right, so we're going to get 30 grams of butter. We're going to stick that in our cup there, right, boom. Then we're going to get 1 egg. We're going to crack that straight in the cup. Hope you guys are keeping up. Right, then we're going to get 2 tablespoons of sugar. Quite a lot. Stick that in there. Oh, missed some of that. Right, then we're going to get 1 tablespoon of milk. Stick that in there too. 5 tablespoons of flour. Let's stick that in there. Right, God knows what this is going to look like. We're going to get a spoon. We're going to get stirring all of this in. Oh, it's going everywhere. Right, quick. You guys keeping up? You guys keeping up?
Yes, I'm keeping up.
We're going to stir it in. Stir it. Oh, God. Oh, no. Ooh. What's happening? Right, quick. Cake, food. Quick cake.
This looks like scrambled eggs.
Big sticky mixture, but it's happening. Smush it in. Right, so we've got a big sticky gloopy mixture now. Have you guys got a big sticky gloopy mixture?
Can we have this? Yeah, I think. I'm just going to carry on mixing.
Right, I'm not sure that's quite what it's supposed to look like, but here we go. We'll give it a go. Got some gloop in there. Gloop is done. Right.
Gloop.
So, got a mixture in there. We're going to stick it down to the bottom of the thing. How are we doing for time? Is that looking alright? Cool, right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get it. We're going to stick it in the microwave. 1 minute 40 seconds. Time.
Oh
my god. Maybe we should
What is that?
use the bigger mug. How do your guys' look?
One looks like this.
Right.
Yours looks like
This
a
isn't
volcano.
quite
One looks better.
what we were expecting.
No.
It looks hot.
How do I give it?
Maybe we should have used mixed. We're gonna get rid of this and we'll sort it out in a minute. How did your guys' turn out?
Mine went good.
Mine's good. As much as it was all dramatic in the meantime, it actually turned out alright. Logan's was crazy.
Yeah, it looks like an omelette.
So you can add loads of other stuff to this. You can put chocolate chips in it, mix those in. You can add some cinnamon, you can add a spoonful of chocolate powder if you want a chocolate one. There's loads of different ones you can look up on the internet, but this is a really easy basic one. Super quick, super delicious.
Yes, yours looks like a volcano.
Super delicious. Right, we've made some crazy videos. Go back and look at the other videos. Hopefully this one you can make something out of it. If you make a mug cake, hopefully yours will turn out crazy too. Send us a picture and see how it goes. Like and subscribe and love us, because we want to be YouTube famous, man.
Everyone likes you.